Are you a content marketer, affiliate, or digital entrepreneur sitting on a goldmine of PLR content but struggling to make it profitable? You're not alone. Many believe monetizing private label rights, PLR, demands endless hours of rewriting, rebranding, and complex funnel creation. This common misconception often leads to valuable digital assets gathering dust. And in today's fast-paced marketing world, who truly has the time, energy, or specialized copywriting skills for such extensive overhauls? This hurdle prevents countless marketers from leveraging their PLR. The good news is you don't have to. With 60-Minute Money, you'll discover a revolutionary approach to transform any PLR product into an evergreen income stream. The best part? No need to write a single word from scratch. The secret lies in leveraging ChatGPT in a completely innovative way. Instead of struggling to craft compelling sales copy or devise intricate marketing strategies, you'll simply feed your PLR into our expertly designed prompts. This process is streamlined for maximum efficiency. In mere minutes, ChatGPT will generate unique sales angles, audience-specific messaging, and even a comprehensive marketing plan. This includes ideas for social media posts, email sequences, and video scripts, all ready for immediate deployment. No complex funnels, no endless editing, just pure marketing power. In fact, the entire process takes less than an hour. Imagine taking a PLR product you once considered worthless and launching a fresh, compelling campaign that feels entirely original. This method empowers you to revitalize your content without altering its core. And it doesn't stop with just one product. Once you master this system, you can replicate it across your entire PLR library. Suddenly, every piece of PLR becomes a potential income stream ready to generate sales on YouTube, blogs, email, or any social platform. So, stop wasting time thinking you need to rewrite your PLR to make it work. The truth is, you just need the right strategy, and ChatGPT provides it. Ready to transform your PLR into profit in as little as 60 minutes? Click the link in the description below to learn more about 60-Minute Money and revolutionize your content marketing strategy today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more marketing insights.